Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M cooking time. Today's menu, I'm going to cook this one. This is boiled green beans or Munggo beans, already cooked. And I'm going to stir fry the garlic and the bay leaves. Look at this. This is already a preheated oil with bay leaves and the ginger, and I have here the coconut milk. This is the cauliflower, the radish, the green and red chili, the tomatoes, the red and green paprika, the onions, and the garlic. So first, I have already sauteed here or stir fry the ginger and the laurel in order to extract the aroma, and we will put next this garlic and the onions. So here, this is just a very simple cooking, very simple, and we will serve this one together with the rice and the dried fish. So next, I'm going to add the tomatoes. I have here the tomatoes. Then we will add the radish. I will show you how to cook radish. This radish is like the taste of a sayuti. So if you have not tried cooking radish, so this time you can see how to cook radish as a vegetable. And also we will add this cauliflower. Okay. This is very quick cooking because this radish and cauliflower is very easy to cook. And I will add the green Munggo. Okay. So mix it. Alright guys. And we will add this to chili, and with these two paprika, the green and the red. Mix it together. And we will add this garlic powder. We will add this paprika powder. We will add this black pepper. and salt. And we will mix it here. So guys, and we will add this beef powder. Look at here. We will just add 1 tablespoon. And now we will add this coconut milk. Look at this coconut milk. We will add here and we will bring to boil. I did not add water because we have more cocoa milk. 1 can is enough. No need to add water. So bring it to boil. But guys, this is a very simple cooking. You can add meat, this one, fish or chicken. But for me, I don't mix the fish because the fish I already fried it. So I will just serve these munggo beans with the coconut milk separately, and we will bring it to boil, and after that we will serve it with the rice. So this is how to cook a simple munggo beans with coconut milk. So when it is already ready to serve, we will serve it with the rice and with the fish. So I have here a big spoon. Look here, this is ready. Very easy to prepare this kind of food. So guys, I hope you like this menu. So if you like this menu, this is a munggo beans with coconut milk with radish and broccoli and cauliflower with paprika. And now this is my fried fish and rice, and I am going to serve this one, this munggo with broccoli and radish. Maybe this is your first time you see how to cook the radish and cauliflower with the munggos. And now I have already here my serving. Look at this. So this is now our meal for today, our lunch. Munggo beans, green munggo with coconut milk, served with fried fish with rice. This is a carrots and this is a radish. This is just a decoration, guys. And also this chili. So please give a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my videos. So thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunod sa aking cooking time with S.G.M. So look at here, this is already our munggo beans na ginataan, munggo na ginataan with cauliflower, with tomato, with radish, and with chili. So you can cook also this munggo beans. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use the white cream sauce, and the effect or the result and the taste is just the same. This radish, it tastes like a sayuti in the Philippines. So thank you guys, and this is all for today, and maraming salamat, and this is my yummy food for today. Bye bye. Danke schön. Auf Wiedersehen.